Okay. My name is Alex Tang. I'm an eighth grader from San Diego, and I go to Mesa Verde Middle School.
Hi, I'm Andy Liang. I'm an eighth grader from Sunnyvale.
Hi, I'm Jonathan, and I'm a ninth grader from Fremont, California.
Hi, I'm Junpeng, and I'm a seventh grader in San Diego.
Yeah. So our project is Feed Me Smart, and it's basically an app for low income people and immigrants. So the app gives people tools to help find cheap foods that are for them nearby. It also helps them with many food related problems. We used MIT App Inventor too to create the app, and we also used many AIs, and implemented many AIs in it too. For example, we have like food identification models, ChatGPT, food information database, and more. Yeah. So basically, we were all people who wanted to like learn about how to create apps, and also learn how to use like AI in modern day apps. And we all just got together to work on it. And I also know Junpeng uh, from my Spanish classes.
So we all attend the same MIT App Inventor class, and we communicate to each other through Zoom and Discord.
Yeah, my Andy said. We're in the same class, and we decided to form a group together.
Same as Andy and Alex and all the others, we were in the same MIT App Inventor class and just decided to get together. And I know Alex from my Spanish classes.
First about like the roles and stuff. So on the team, we each thought about things that we could implement, and we also compared like each of our skills. So then we assigned like a feature or a screen to each person so that they could specialize on something because that would make it so that we can implement the app faster. Uh, and it was also better because if each person got a screen, then we could also help each other.
So my role was to create something that could take a zip code input and allow users to find the grocery stores near them and filter out which grocery stores they wanted to see, for example, based on their cultural food preference. My part of the app would also allow users to find deals of the grocery stores in their zip code area.
Yeah, and my part was to make the recipe finder, which is one of the newer features of our app, and it allows users to input ingredients, and it will output recipes and an image of the recipe.
So my role was to create the shopping cart, which would allow the user to like track what they wanted to buy and what the total price of what they wanted to buy was.
Yeah, I forgot to mention my part. So I worked on the food identification and the food nutrient page, and I also worked on the AI questionnaire helper. So because we're like online, we can like make the apps a bit faster because like being online, we also create the apps online. But one of the challenges was we had to kind of like schedule times where we can all come together because we're remote, so we all have like different things.
Yeah, I agree with Alex. A big part of our project was being able to communicate with each other so that we're all on the same page, since we're remotely working together.
For me, was that so I had to share my part of the app with the others, but I was using an extension, which meant that I couldn't publish it to MIT. So it made it a bit harder to share it with my partners.
Another difficulty about working remotely was that we met up on Zoom like every week so that if we, for example, made an error during the week, we wouldn't know until on Sunday where we came together.
Yeah. So since the competition, we already made some improvements to our app. So we created the recipe finder feature, which allows users to see recipes using the ingredients they chose, as I mentioned before. And we also want to continue making our app better by providing maybe helpful instructions and tips for new users so they can navigate our app smoothly. Another idea is we're considering to integrate a grocery delivery feature. And also a price comparison function. So that way, grocery items can be compared across stores, and that'll allow users to see like what has the best deals. And lastly, we're thinking about implementing personalized recommendations that might match a user's preference. And what that does is like show them products and deals that they might enjoy and find cost effective. And as for future steps in AI, we'd like to continue learning more about AI and its algorithms, since there's so many possibilities with AI. And we'd like to take full advantage of it, making it more efficient, scalable, and accurate, and continue to build more apps powered by AI so we can improve everyday life.
Yeah, my name's Alex. So I got a quick message about like technology. So and that technology will always keep evolving and will be even more important in the future. So when working with like today's technology, we pave the way to create and test better future technologies. And these future technologies will be used in the real world and will also make the world a better place.
Artificial intelligence is slowly becoming more and more common and prominent in the daily lives of humans in many cases, such as simply asking Siri a question or having ChatGPT write you an essay. As time goes on, this technology will only get better, which can lead to the development of many new items or devices that would seem from the future.
Yeah, to build on, like they mentioned, today's technology is really limitless. There's so many opportunities out there, whether it's AI or virtual reality or any other innovations. Like with a little bit of creativity and the help of new technologies, we can impact the lives of many people.
Yeah. So AI is a great tool. It has become revolutionary during these years, and it's incredibly useful in our daily lives, no matter where. And I think that this technology will help shape the world into a new era in the future.